We're going to Italy for my sister's wedding next month, and it'll be in Tuscany, but then afterwards we're going down to the Amalfi Coast area. It's my husband's birthday, so we're gonna spend it down there. And so I'm thinking of what I want to make for the Amalfi portion of the trip. Probably make some other things, but I just want to make a couple kind of staple, easy, but like really fun vacation outfits. So I'm just kind of like drawing them out. I'm not an artist. I just like to get my ideas on paper. So that is what I'm doing today, just trying to get ahead of my planning, because I always wait till the last minute, and we'll see if this time I'm not going to do that, but I probably will, to be honest. Okay, so I have all my items I want to make up there that I just drew. I have 5 items, and I have 4.5 weeks until we leave. So my plan is to do 1 item a week. And then the last one's like really 5 days, not half. So I'll be able to do that. So I'm just gonna map out what I wanna make each week. And then that way I'm not scrambling at the end and have a good plan. So I wanted to show you guys, I made blueberry scones this week. I need to get another one of these pretty containers, but these were really good. I used this recipe and it was amazing. It's a good base. I do think it needs a little more sweetness, so I'm going to kind of modify it for next time around. And then I also made rosemary focaccia, and then that is everything bagel sourdough, and it was so good. All I did was add everything bagel seasoning. So those are some fun things I baked last week, and then this week I'm gonna try some new things, and I got inspired to do an Italian dinner. I wanted to try some new pasta dishes and then make a few other things, so I decided to do like an Italian dinner night and try some new recipes. And then we're going to have my in-laws over, and so that'll be really fun. Today is Tuesday, and that will be on Friday, but I don't want to be just panicking the last day cooking all sorts of new recipes. So I've planned some things that I can get started on, and I'm going to try making my own baguettes. And so I'm going to prep it today. I believe it's a overnight rise, so it'll bake tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna do this for the first time. I make sourdough and focaccia all the time, so I feel like this will be pretty easy. I found this recipe, so I'm gonna follow that. We'll see if it comes together. Baguette. You want to slice?
Thank you. All right, love you. Text me. Let me know if you need anything. I'll have my phone, and then you're good to create right here.
Yep. Yeah, they look funny, but they taste good. So they turned out a little funny looking, but they taste really good. I'm very happy with them. I think now that this is a success, I'm going to get a baking stone so that I can bake them properly without them getting all wonky. But I'm just using these for bruschetta, so it doesn't really matter since I'm just doing little thin slices. But yeah, success, new recipe, #1. I'm at Thrift Giant and I'm gonna go in and see if I can find anything for our Italian dinner. Nothing crazy, it's not like a full-on dinner party, but they have cute little cheap stuff for the table. I think that'd be fun. Or serving dishes or something. Maybe like a tiramisu dish, because I don't know what I have for that. And then I also want to see if there's any cute thrift finds for clothes. So, gonna head in. I kind of regret not getting this, but I felt a little impractical and I thought these were cute, but kind of same thing. Okay, I got 2 bags of goodies. I went to Thrift Giant and then I also went to Goodwill and I found some good things at both. At Thrift Giant, I went to check out. I got 8 shirts and then I got a shirt for Ricky and I was so surprised. I thought she rung it up wrong, but it was 50% off. So it was $25. Literally $25 for all these shirts. I love thrifting. So I got 2 tops that are like this that kind of have a crisscross. It's kind of hard to tell, but I thought this color was really pretty. And then I got one in green too. It's a more sweatery style, but it kind of crosses around the neck, halter vibe. Okay, I got this, which is this like more structured tank top and has a really nice rib. It's a built-in bra. It almost looks like a bathing suit, but it has no brand, so I can't tell, but I really like the color and the structure, and I feel like more squarish necklines always look nice on my, like, I have broader shoulders. And then I got just like a couple of plain high neck tanks because I felt I could use a refresh of those. Those are always just good to throw on with like denim shorts, pants. They're good casual things that I feel like over time kind of wear. So just a high neck turtleneck bodysuit. This is a Ralph Lauren. It is kind of gold, it's hard to tell. I feel like it might be cute. The style is more of just like a loose tank, but I like a good simple piece. This one I like that it had a built-in bra. I felt like with jeans and like a boot for fall and a jacket would be cute. Just plain pink, but. And then I got this for Ricky. I don't know if it'll fit him, but he loves like cool shirts, so I feel like it might be too small for him, but I got it anyway because it was only $5. And then at Goodwill, it was $37. So pricey compared to my Thrift Giant. But all in all, the day was not too bad. I feel like I got a whole new wardrobe, which was kind of what I was looking for, just a refresh of everything. Okay, I got this. I thought it'd be a cool jacket over things. If you styled it right, I think this would be really cool. I got a couple, these were only like a couple dollars, but just little tees. I always wear these around the house, so I like those. And I feel like they also just wear over time. I've even bought nice ones before and I felt like even the nice ones wore, so I like to just refresh and get cheap ones This with a side scrunch, I thought that was cute. And I got this scarf, which I'm so excited for when it's cold. How fun is this? It gets pretty cold here compared to California at least. So in Texas it does get cold, so I'm very excited about my colorful scarf. And it was literally $3. Got a little athleisure tank. I don't have enough like loose ones, so I thought that was a nice one. Another little t-shirt. Again, I just wear these around the house all the time. I like these stripes. We'll see if it fits me, but it was $1, so. And then I got these cute little shorts. I love wearing lounge shorts, and I needed some new ones, so I thought these were fun. And that was everything, just some easy little items. I didn't find any home decor stuff. I actually found this, like, I'm gonna make some balsamic glaze, and I found this little bottle for it, and I didn't see it in my cart when I was checking out, so I'm kind of bummed I missed on that, but it's not that big of a deal. That's all for today. Tomorrow I will be doing some more cooking and sewing. Today I am baking all of the things. It is cook crunch time. I was a little under the weather this week, so I didn't get as much pre-planning done as I wanted to, but I'm feeling better today, and I'm wearing my new top that I thrifted. I did all the laundry, and this one does fit. I wasn't sure if it does fit, and I like the stripes. So I am going to be doing tiramisu. This is my first time making tiramisu, so I am very excited, and I have lots of other fun things I'm gonna try. Let's hope they're a success, but lots of new recipes, so if they're not all winners, it's okay. I have officially made tiramisu, and we'll see how it turns out. I think it'll be good. It was honestly pretty easy to make, so I'm excited about that. And now I'm going to make some focaccia, let that sit. I'm not doing an overnight rise, but I've done it in short time before and it turned out fine, so I will link that recipe. But here is the tiramisu recipe that I used. And then here is the focaccia recipe that I love. And I always add rosemary. It's time to do that. Okay, now I'm just going to let this sit. Now to my simple tank dress that I said I would do this week, so I'm going to do it. I was going to put this off, but I'm trying to stick to my plan and not so last minute like I usually do. So I am using a pattern that I created and adjusting it just a little bit. Last time I made this, the hips were a little too wide, so I took that in and I'm cutting 4 layers of fabric here. I have just a tan lining, it's a nylon spandex, and then a metallic knit for the outer layer.
And I decided to make this dress long instead of short. And gotta get my matching thread going, of course.
Okay, I'm about to start sewing, and I have the Brother SE 2000, just if you're curious, but I wanted to show you guys, if you don't already know the trick, you might already, but if you have these big spools, which I like to get, I get them from Wawak. I don't know how to say, W-A-W-A-K sewing. I get all my big spools there, but I get this glass vase, any kind of vase like this, from the Dollar Tree or dollar store, so it's literally $1, and then you can put your big spool in there and then run your thread up and thread it just like you normally would, as if it was right here. I have mine behind this just to kind of keep it running above the machine, but every single machine I had a Singer before I got this Brother, but you just run it like normal, and then it kind of goes down, and see, if it was right here, it'd be doing the exact same thing. So the vase is nice because then the thread can just spin off the top and it doesn't get caught, but I love that tip. It also saves money on thread because you can get these big ones. Okay, so here is how it looks. I'm standing on my tippy toes because it's very long. I still have to hem it. It's a little loose, but I might take it in just a smidge. But all I need to do is cut the excess seam allowance so that there isn't this bulky seam. But overall, very happy with this. So I have one Italy outfit down. I love the gold. It's just like a nice little shimmer. Don't mind my mess over here. But I'm really liking the way this looks, and I just need to get the length of it right. And I might take it in just a tiny bit at the waist, but we will see. But overall, very happy.